Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to unlock more floor decks in Sand. If you're not a fan of the default floor decks, or you simply want more options to give your trampler a cleaner, more practical design, you can unlock additional floor deck variants through the tech tree. To do this, head back to the main lobby and open the tech tree. Navigate to Kaiser's Friends, which is the orange upgrade branch. Here you'll find the first wooden deck upgrade, which unlocks several new deck shapes and layouts for your trampler. As you progress further through the tech tree, you'll gain access to even better floor deck variants, including decks with armored railings that provide extra cover during combat. Keep in mind that these higher tier upgrades require more crowns and rarer materials to unlock. Once you've unlocked the deck upgrades you want, return to your trampler's build page. Open the deck section and you'll now find your newly unlocked floor deck variants ready to use. Mix and match the different deck pieces to create a more streamlined appearance or improve your trampler's layout for easier movement and better access to different compartments. Whether you're building for style or functionality, having more floor deck options gives you much greater freedom when designing your trampler. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.